How to download and install Hay Day on your smartphone or tablet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can get started with Hay Day and get it downloaded on your smartphone or your tablets. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open your Google Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type in Hay Day and search. Look for the Hay Day application from Supercell and then click on the install button to get the application downloaded. Wait for Hay Day to download on your device. It will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is installed, tap on the play button to launch open the Hay Day game on your device. So there you have it. That is how you can easily download and install the Hay Day application on your device. Now you can go ahead and connect Supercell ID to save your progress. Go ahead and click on the Supercell ID button at the top left if you've played the game before and enter the credentials, and you'll be able to pick up where you left off. So that's how you easily download and install the popular Hay Day application on your Android or your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.